Hi guys, it's Brittany Gresham. I am the owner of Bee's Custom Corner and you are in my shop today. I am a woodworker and a sign maker. I started this business a little over a year ago and I make multiple things. Today you're going to get to see some of those and a little bit of behind the scenes action. I have made signs and other crafts for friends and family for a super long time. It just took some push from my husband and my stepmom to actually put things into motion and get them out there for other people to buy. COVID hit and things at my job were not going well. I was unhappy, so we really just jumped right into it. During this time, everybody's struggling, but it was also a time that everybody was home and redoing their houses or doing those projects at home that they've put off. And that's kind of where I stepped in, and a lot of my customers were remodeling their house or needed something new to put up. So that's where I came in and got to help with that. As I said, I'm a sign maker and a woodworker. I specialize in custom built signs, so that means the customers, they see an idea or have something in their head and I can make that come to life. Our biggest, most popular item is our Farmhouse frame signs. Those are your framed pieces with the backing. Those can say whatever you want. I've grown a lot since my first product came out, and so now we have some new features. Our frame pieces are all inset, so we have updated that. You're not going to see a visible backing. And we've just really upgraded our shop. All of our tools are new. I'm cutting more at a professional level, and everything in here is geared to make these signs a better looking product and to get to you quicker. It would actually be even better if I could just show you what we do instead of explain it all. So let's go. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by today and seeing what I do. That is all the steps I take in making my frame signs. That was sped up a little bit, so it does take a bit of time to get them right where you want them. I wanted to take this time to say thank you to all of my customers that have ordered with me so far. I love getting to know you and create things for you. And if you haven't ordered yet, I look forward to working with you too. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later.